Did one of them go down with you?
Tag one.
Got him.
Nice, good shit. Yep, good shit.
Fuck, Mug's dead. Did you see
Got
him
one.
still? Is he still there? That's the last guy, right?
Was it?
Oh no, that was the friend. There's somebody coming around, it sounds like? Somebody's jumping on something, did you hear that?
I think one of them was down on our boy.
I'm running.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody's jumping. Or is that you?
That's me, it's me.
Yeah, there's two here.
Oh, he was down. I think, yeah, this is it. He was dead, that's why
I'm
I was pinging him.
gonna close these doors.
Okay, I'm gonna go throw this. I'm gonna throw a jolt mine down real quick for us.
Okay. He's got ammo too in here.
Okay, oh yeah. I mean, hey, dude, take what you want.
I don't need anything, so I'm just letting you know.
Okay, alright. Some rubber. I need that light ammo actually. Grab this line around. Oh, right here. I'm gonna reposition. I'm gonna reposition back to where we were.
Okay.
Oh fuck, there's people behind us too though. Oh fuck.
Got one.
Oh.
Got two.
Okay, you're going crazy. Holy shit, dude. Oh, fuck! I didn't even get to shoot him. Oh, he's just got a barrel. He has a barrel.
Where is he?
He's climbing up. He's climbing up.
Nope. He's gonna be on it. Watch out.
I'm gonna try and do.
He's pushing you.
Where is he? Where is he?
I'm just trying to distract him. I just pinged him. He's right on my ping. He's right here. He's on me. He's running.
I got no heals.
Oh,
Nice, dude.
NT,
I was
dude.
charging. Good shit. That was a lot of fun. Appreciate that, boys. I got Volcano on me. Take it. Use it. Abuse it.
Okay, man. Have a great weekend.
Yeah, you too, brother.
God, dude, you cooked with that.
That was
Holy
fun.
shit.
Dude, that thing is
Dude,
nasty.
you fucking cooked. That was insane.